Hello friends, and we are back with another video on Mridang NCERT textbook of English for class 1, and today we are going to do unit 2 Life Around Us chapter 3, and to get to this you have to open page number 75. So let's start. A farm. So we are going to read this poem, A Farm. My dear grandpa had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here, with a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. My dear grandpa had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. My dear grandpa had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. My dear grandpa had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. So this poem, A Farm, is about this child's grandpa who had a farm, and on that farm he had a cow which says moo moo every time. Everywhere he used to go, it used to say moo moo. And in that farm, on that farm, he also had so many hen. So the hen used to say cluck 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 cluck, and everywhere they used to go, they used to say cluck cluck. Let's read the poem once again. My dear grandpa had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a cow, E-I-E-I-O. With a moo-moo here and a moo-moo there, here a moo, there a moo, everywhere a moo-moo. My dear grandpa had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. My dear grandpa had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. And on that farm he had a hen, E-I-E-I-O. With a cluck cluck here and a cluck cluck there, here a cluck, there a cluck, everywhere a cluck cluck. My dear grandpa had a farm, E-I-E-I-O. Now let's move on to the activities. So the first one is let us do. Color the farm and name the animals in the farm. Use this help box. So you have to color this whole farm in whichever color you like. And then what do we have to do? We have to name all the animals, and here is the help box. So can you see the cat? Cat. Can you see a cat in this picture? Oh yes, here is the cat. Let's match the word cat with the picture. Next, the next animal is cow. Cow. See, the cow is just behind the cat, right? This is a cow. So let's match C-O-W cow with the picture of cow. Next we have goat. G-O-A-T goat. I can see two goats here in the pen. So let's match G-O-A-T goat with the picture of goat. Next we have pig. Pig. P-I-G, pig. Can you see pig in this picture? Oh yes, here is the pig. Let's match P-I-G, pig with the picture. Here is the pig. Next we have hen. H-E-N, hen. Where is the hen? Here is the hen, and see, he is also making the sound cluck cluck. Let's match hen with the picture. Next we have cock. Cock. Here is the cock. Let's match cock as well. Next we have sparrow. Sparrow. So let's match sparrow. Here are the sparrows. Let's move on to the next activity. Animals and birds. My name is Jaggu. I live in Nagpur. Come with me. I'll tell you about the animals that live near my house. So he is Jaggu and he is going to tell you about the animals that live near his house. This is a dog. It lives near the gate. See, this is a dog and it lives near the gate. Next, these are cats. They jump up and down in the veranda of my house. This is a cow. It eats grass. See, here is the cow living under the shed. Next, this is a rat. See, this is a rat. The rat is very small and the cat chases the rat. See, the cat that lives in the veranda is chasing the rat. Next we have these are monkeys. See, 1, 2, 3 monkeys. They swing and jump in the trees. There is a field beside my house. There are few snakes in it. You have to walk carefully in the field because they can bite you, right? And at last we have, now I will also tell you about the birds. So we were talking about animals till now. I see near my house. This is a crow. See, this is a crow. It is black in color. So the crow is black in color. This is a pigeon. This is a pigeon. Here are pigeons over here. Can you see the pigeons on the ground? Yes. It is gray in color. See, it is gray in color. This is a sparrow. It is a small bird. Here is a sparrow and it is a small bird. This is a parrot. It is green and has a red beak. See, here is the parrot with green body and a red beak. This is a peacock. It has many colors. See, this is the peacock with many colors. I love animals and birds. So these are the new words that we read in the story. Veranda, cow, rat, sparrow, crow, pigeon, snake, fields, peacock and beak. Let us speak. Do you know that some animals live in jungle? Yes, some animals live with us in our house that we also call pet animals, and some animals live on farms that are known as domestic animals, and some live in the jungle that are known as wild animals. Okay, so this is the one wild animal that we know and the name is Tiger, tiger. Next is this wild animal, and what is the name of this wild animal? Lion, lion. And at last we have this wild animal which is elephant. Elepant, elephant. Next we have, say the word rat. Rat. Say it again. Rat. Notice that the last sound of the word rat is t. T. And t sound is made by T, the letter T. Now see the words given below. Cap, jam, pen and bell. What is the last sound that you hear in each word given above? Cap, P. The last sound is P. Next we have jam, M. Then we have pen, N. And at last we have bell, L. Talking in pairs. Child 1. What is the color of a parrot? A parrot is green. What is the color of a crow? Child 2 is saying a crow is black. What is the color of a rat? A rat is brown. What is the color of a peacock? And the child 2 says, oh, it has many colors. Last we have fun time. Can you see the elephants? Where can you see them? Oh, we have to go through this picture very carefully and observe what is happening in this picture, and we will see various elephants. Yes, we will see various elephants in the picture. So, the first elephant that I see is here in the picture frame, right? This is an elephant. Then, can you see this clock which is shaped like an elephant? How pretty, right? After that, I can see an elephant over here drawn on the bag. Let's circle this as well. Then, can you see this pot which is shaped like an elephant as well? Oh, how pretty it is. Next, we have an elephant over here drawn on the flower vase. Let's circle this as well. Next, do you see any more elephants? Oh yes, the whole bed sheet is covered with the pictures of elephants. Even on the pillows, we can see the elephants. And do we see more elephants in this picture? But tell me. Yes, see over here. Across the window, we see the biggest elephant, right? So this was the activity that we had to do today. We'll meet another time with another fun activity. Until then, bye-bye.